stop. This is how affiliate marketing works. First of all, I'm going to use this simple illustration to show and explain to you how affiliate marketing works as a beginner. All right. Now, first of all, there are always two or three parties. All right. There is the business owner or the product owner, and there is the affiliate or the marketing partner. All right. So affiliate simply means that you're going to partner with someone to market and promote their products, their services, their offers to your audience. And of course, when the person you promoted the offer to or the service or the product to buys the product, you get paid commissions. Okay, so from this you can see there are two persons in this particular illustration. Now the guy on the right probably is the business owner, and the guy on the left, let's say he's the affiliate. He's the one that wants to start promoting the offers. Now they reach a deal. All right, so I'm going to promote your products and your services to my audience, to my friends, to my family. All right, and when they buy, okay, so how much are you going to pay me? And then they both reach an agreement. Okay, I'm going to pay you 20% commissions, $100, whatever. Right, but they reach an agreement and they reach a conclusion. Now the affiliate goes on, he gets a unique link. Okay, he gets a link for himself. Okay, that helps the business owner know that this particular sale came from me, the affiliate. Okay, so now when that happens and the customer or the friend or the family uses the affiliate's link, which is always unique, to make a purchase, that is when the business owner pays him commissions. All right, so that is simply what affiliate marketing is. What's up, guys? Affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing and how it works as a beginner, step by step. Welcome to my channel, Aksaka Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business and income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. All right, so please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. Now, who the heck is affiliate marketing for? I'm going to tell you who affiliate marketing is for in the next few seconds. One, it is just about everybody. I'm going to explain this very soon. Okay, so whether you're a student or you're a freelancer, whether you are a 9-to-5 worker or you are a business owner, whether you are an employee, affiliate marketing is just for you. And that is because now, if you look all around you, I'm probably going to find out that there are 2 or 3 products that you own that you could be an affiliate for. Okay, and this is not very difficult. All you have to do is to find out if the business owner or the company has an affiliate program, and if they do, then you simply sign up. All right, now even if they don't have a program, you could reach out to them and request to promote the services and the offers, and you get paid. So this is just for about anyone. Okay, and if you're telling me wait, Uchina, hold up, I don't have time. Now the truth is, affiliate marketing is a perfect side hustle. Yes, it's true that it's a business, and sincerely, you need some patience because it will take you like several times, sometimes to set up at the beginning. All right, because this is a legal business. Okay, I mean, this industry has been on since like the 90s. So come on, and this is an over $5 billion industry. So why the heck won't you want your cut out of it? All right, so now let me tell you the truth. If you could spare about 2 to 3 hours every day, you can do affiliate marketing perfectly well and get results. Now, how do you start? How do you start? First of all, you should know there are local affiliate programs and there are global affiliate programs. Now, this depends on you. Now, one of the most popular local affiliate programs we have here in Nigeria is Expertnear. All right, so Expertnear is a great company, great platform. I've been with them for over 1 year now. It's been totally amazing, great experience, lots of amazing and superb offers. All right. And when it comes to the global, I've shared about it before, probably in one other video. All right. There's Share Sale, there's JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus, lots of them. There's Clickbank, there's Amazon. All right. So there are amazing things for you to do. Okay. So it depends on what you want to do and which you want to start with. But first, the first thing you need to do when you want to start affiliate marketing is that you want to choose a product. So I just logged into my Share Sale account, and I've gone to over to the merchants. Here I'm in the merchants, and if you scroll down, you see there are lots of programs and offers that you could be an affiliate for. Now with Share Sale, you have to apply to the particular company, because Share Sale is what we call an affiliate network. Okay, so an affiliate network creates a platform, then it connects affiliate marketers to companies and businesses. Okay, and then, so you have to first apply to the particular business you want to be an affiliate for. Okay, but that's different when you are working directly with a particular company, all right, on its affiliate program. You don't have to do all of this stuff. Okay, just apply, and if the company accepts you, you're good to go. Okay, so this is Share Sale. You just choose any particular business or offer you like. For instance, if I was into wine, I'll just get over here. I've seen these at California Wine Club, and click on it. So it says it's going to pay me 15% per sale. All right, so you click here on join program. Then the next thing you want to do is that you want to check that this is your email, and that you have read the agreement, and then you are going to have to tell them about your promotional methods and your general marketing plan. All right, and then you of course include your websites, all right, and then some other things. Okay, so when you're done with all of this, you simply scroll back up and you hit this button that says join this program, and voila, so your application will be sent out to them, and then you will wait for them to get back to you, right, in few days. Okay, now I'm going to head over to Expertnaire, which is the local affiliate program that I love so much over here in so on my product dashboard, marketplace, or you see there are lots of amazing offers here, and of course all of these are digital products. All right, so guides, courses, and all. None of this is the physical product. Okay, so if you look over here, you see these are the product codes, the product names, the price, and then this is affiliate commissions that I'll get. Now, if I wanted to market any of this, I'll have to head over to here to view my affiliate link. Okay, and when I do, I simply copy it, and when I copy it, you see that if I paste it in here and open it, it will lead us to the sales page of this particular product. Okay, so if I want to sell this product, I just copy that link and share it with anyone that's interested in it, and then when they open it, they're going to head over here and they will read all of this and read all of this, and then when they're done reading it and they want it, then they come back here and they click on this button that says get your copy now, and when they do that, they're taken to a payment page. Okay, so you see, for the first thing I did was I joined Expertnaire. All right, now that joining Expertnaire, then I chose a product. Okay, over here in my product marketplace, and when I did that, I copied my affiliate link and then I shared it with someone. So let's say that someone is me. Now when the person opens it, I don't have to do any extra work. Okay, because now the person who owns this product has done the work of working on the sales page. It could be a video, it could be a letter, but they've done that. Now my work is just to promote it and to share it. Okay, and then when this person purchases this product, I will get sent my commissions. No stories attached, nothing. All right, so let's get back. Yes, so this was on how you choose a product. Now, choosing a product depends on several things. Depends on who you're marketing to, who you are targeting. I mean, you can't recommend a product that's on childbirth to someone who is still a student. It doesn't. I don't know. All right. So, but then you choose a product that is going to suit your audience. All right. So, secondly, you need to set yourself up for success, and of course, you do this in several ways. All right. Understand that affiliate marketing is about getting leads. Okay. So this is maths. All right. So you do the numbers. If you showed 10 people a particular product, and of the 10 people you showed it, one person would buy. So simple maths requires that if you wanted to make more sales, you have to wanted to make 10 sales in a month, you have to show a particular product to about, that would be times 10. So that would be like 100 people, so that 10 people would buy. All right. So set yourself up for success. Depends on how you want to share and market. You could do email marketing. You could run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, email marketing, lots of amazing stuff. You could, of course, use your WhatsApp to sell. Okay, that's one of the basics that I love about ExpertNear. We do lots of WhatsApp marketing on ExpertNear, and it works. All right. So, of course, when it comes to starting promotion, you need to run ads because you want more people to see your products and your offers. Okay. Now, you don't need to start with this. One of the amazing products I love that helped me get started and see results fast as an affiliate marketer on ExpertNear was a 72 IG course. Okay, so in there I learned how to use WhatsApp very well, and I've loved it. Okay, I'll leave a link for you in the pin comment section. So if you want to start this and want me to show you how it works for me, just click the link below and you would reach out to me through my WhatsApp DM, and we can talk about that. Okay, so that's about promotion. This is a beginner video. I don't want to go deep into details. Okay, and then finally you receive your commissions. This depends on who you're working with. For global affiliate programs that I work with, Bluehost, HostGator, CJ, ShareSale. Now, some of them get response. Some of them pay through PayPal. Okay. Some of them pay through Payoneer. So Payoneer helps me receive money from intentional merchants directly into my bank account. All right. So with ExpertNear, of course, you receive your payments into your account directly, and of course, this comes every Friday. All right. So so this is it. This is it. This is me wanting to show you how to start affiliate marketing and how it works. Okay, so this is a beginner and introductory video. All right, so I'll still work on a fully fledged out video that will explain to you how to start step by step. All right, so let me know in the comment section below. Do you feel that affiliate marketing could work for you? Leave a comment below, yes or no. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.